Sarah touched the keys of the dusty, ornate typewriter, a chill swept through the room. Ink, dark as midnight, dripped onto the page, forming words she hadn't typed. "Help me." Her heart raced as the typewriter began clattering on its own, telling a story of a writer trapped within its gears, a victim of his own creation's curse. The room dimmed, shadows stretching ominously. Suddenly, her own hands moved against her will, typing furiously. The room's air thickened with whispers, desperate and pleading. With a final jarring click, her name appeared on the page. Heart pounding, she realized she'd become that next chapter in its sinister saga. The keys went silent, sealing her fate within the typewriter's haunted tale.